I'm Annette Mollendorf, and I'm the Director of Human Resources for North America. IAC is a leading global automotive supplier of interior parts, and we focus and work with customers throughout the world, supplying them parts for the interiors business. IAC believes that the employees are our most valuable asset, and we focus specifically on recruitment and retention of the best employees and candidates. So while we've focused our recruitment efforts throughout North America, part of that initiative is to hire in military veterans. When I was asked to be the lead on this project, I was very excited. It's very near and dear to my heart. I'm a military veteran myself, so I was excited to include this as part of our program and to go out and seek candidates throughout North America and to bring them into our IAC team.
My name is Jimmy Taylor. I'm a maintenance manager for IAC Spartanburg. Right out of high school, joined the United States Air Force, became a maintenance mechanic. After about 4 or 5 years, transitioned to be a flight engineer, air crew member where I flew on C-130 type aircraft, and then I moved on to leadership positions at the higher headquarters and then retired after 20 years of service.
Hi, I'm Deontay Dawson. I'm a controls engineer out at Holmesville, Ohio. I graduated from West Point and I got a degree in electrical engineering. And after that, I was stationed in Fort Bliss, Texas. During that time, I deployed to Bahrain once for about a year. I got back, and shortly after, I got out the active Army and went reserve.
So we started our recruitment initiative with Orion and our partnership with them in 2016 to gear our efforts towards hiring military veterans, soldiers that are transitioning out of the military and coming into the civilian world carry some of the best characteristics that we're looking for. They're dedicated, they're highly trained, they have work ethics, they're very structured, organized, and that fits into the automotive industry extremely well.
As you're moving from a military environment that works on a hierarchical type scale and you're moving into a civilian manufacturing plant that has more of a flat leadership structure. The transition into that environment is you have to learn a little bit more patience, and IAC has been very good and patient with me to allow me the time to learn these new methodologies, different ways to lead people, different ways to coach people and mentor people. At the same time, there's IAC does a good job of encouraging that work-life balance, and they contribute and push that, and that's another reason why I enjoy working at IAC.
When I got the job at IAC, one of the great things I liked about it was just the on-the-job training. I got to conduct a left seat, right seat with a more experienced co-worker who just kind of led me in the right direction and basically gave me an opportunity to gain more knowledge and be more useful to the company and utilize all those skills I learned from the military concerning leadership, discipline, personal responsibility, and apply it to the civilian world.
The advice I would give to somebody that's similar in a transitional from the military to civilian market is utilizing the services such as Orion and as they're teamed up with IAC will give them the platform to be able to convert their military experiences and jargon over and be better prepared to communicate their true skill sets to a civilian business.
I am extremely proud that IAC has made the commitment to put our focus on hiring veterans. I think it's a huge benefit and asset for our company. It definitely shows our support and our patriotism for the U.S. military veterans, and I can't wait to see this program grow even more.